In this lesson, we'll go over and explain what Fusion 360 is. After completing this lesson, you'll be able to explain what CAD software is, explain what CAM software is, explain what CAE software is, and discuss integrated design environments. So now we pose the question, what is Fusion 360? Fusion 360 is a cloud-based CAD, CAM, and CAE tool for collaborative product development. Fusion 360 combines fast and easy organic modeling with precise solid modeling, allowing you to make your designs manufacturable. So, of course, we can all read this right off the website, but what is it really? Well, Fusion 360 is an innovative approach to modeling. It has enough flexibility to let virtually any user approach the design process however they like. So, what do I mean? Well, let's say you're a shoe designer and you want to quickly come up with some concepts for new shapes to 3D print and explore in the real world. In other CAD software, you would typically start with lots of sketches. Those sketches would turn into a surface and patches get knitted together or stitched together. Then through this method, you start building a solid body. Now, this solid body or group of surfaces to help explore these concepts is often time-consuming. But with Fusion 360's form tools, you can quickly make a complex shape, transition to a solid model, and export it to an STL or NetFab to 3D print in a matter of minutes, rather than hours or days. Now, let's say that you're a machinist. You're sent a CAD file that needs an NC program, but first it needs a few edits to make it machinable. With Fusion 360's direct modeling, you can manipulate the model quickly, even if it wasn't created in Fusion 360. You can then review it with a client using share links and be on your way to programming it in no time. Now, how about a mechanical engineer looking to create a complex assembly? Fusion 360's clever approach to parts and assemblies in the single file makes this process of conceptualizing mechanical motion both quick and easy. And the ability to use a large set of simulation tools and validate your design easily during the early stages, helping you make informed decisions. In other CAD systems, you have to follow a rigid set of rules when modeling, but those days are over. Fusion 360 gives you the flexibility you need to design the products of tomorrow, today. These are just a few examples of ways that Fusion 360 gives you the freedom to design rather than just model.